Good morning class, I am Lakshman Singh. With remaining part of volume and surface area of cylinder, let us see some more questions based on cylinder. Let us take exercise 21A, question number 10. Water is flowing at the rate of 3 km per hour through a circular pipe of 20 cm internal diameter into a circular cistern of diameter 10 meter and depth 2 meter. In how much time will the cistern be filled? So let's see. Speed of water given 3 km per hour. So we change it into meter per second multiplied by 5 upon 18. We get 5 upon 6 meter per second. It means 5 upon 6 meter length of water is flowing through the pipe in 1 second. So length of water column in pipe in 1 second, that is 5 upon 6 meter. So volume of water flowing in 1 second, that is volume equal to area into height, or here we can take length of water column. So area will be pi r square, diameter given 20 centimeter, so radius will be 10 centimeter. In meters, its radius will be 10 upon 100. So pi into 10 upon 100 into 10 upon 100, and that is pi r square, and 5 upon 6 is height. So area into height or length of column will be volume of water in 1 second. Then volume of cistern means tank. So volume of cistern, that is also cylindrical. So pi r square h, pi is given as it is, r radius 5 into 5 r square, and height is 2 meter, means depth of cistern. Height will be considered as depth of cistern. So time taken to fill the cistern, that is volume of cistern divided by volume of water flowing in 1 second through pipe. So volume of cistern we have got pi into 5 into 5 into 2, and volume of water flowing in 1 second through pipe is pi into 10 by 100 into 10 by 100 into 5 by 6. So we calculated 100 into 100 into 6, that will go up and remaining will be at its place. On calculation we get total 6000 seconds. Seconds we change into hours. 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds divided by 3600. So we get 1 whole 24 upon 36, that is 1 whole 2 by 3 hour. So 1 whole 2 by 3 hour we change into minute. So multiplied by 60, we get 1 hour 40 minute. Let us take question number 11. A swimming pool 70 meter long, 44 meter wide and 3 meter deep is filled by a water issuing pipe of diameter 35 centimeter at 6 meter per second. How many hours does it take to fill the pool? So volume of water flowing in 1 second, that is volume of water in column pi r square h again. So pi is 22 upon 7, r square is 17.5 upon 100 in meters, that is means 17.5 centimeter. 17.5 upon 100 into 17.5 upon 100, and this is already given 6 meter per second. So we get this much volume of water flowing in 1 second. Then volume of swimming pool, that is a cuboidal length into breadth into depth given. So 70 into 44 into 3, that will be the volume of pool. Now volume of swimming pool, we have got this much. Time taken to fill the pool, that will be volume of pool divided by volume of water flowing in 1 second. Again the same like question number 10. So we have here volume of pool 70 into 44 into 3, and volume of water flowing in 1 second is given this much. Now this 7 into 100 into 100 will come up and remaining will be at its place. Solving this on calculation, we get total 16,000 second. We will change this 16,000 second into hours divided by 3600. So we get 4 whole 4 by 9 hours. Let us take question number 13. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug up and the earth from digging is spread evenly to form a platform 22 meter into 14 meter. Determine the height of the platform. So, volume of earth dug out will be equal to the volume of platform, because all the earth, soil which is taken out is used to make a platform. So, volume of earth dug out, volume of soil will be equal to volume of platform. So, volume of earth dug out, that is the volume of well. Volume of well is cylindrical, that is pi r square h, and platform is cuboidal, so that will be length into breadth into height. So 22 upon 7 into radius of well is 3.5 meter into depth is 20 meter. Then length of platform 22 meter, breadth is 14 meter, height we have to find. So height equal to, we can calculate it, height we get 2.5 meter. Now let us take question number 15. A well with 10 meter inside diameter is dug 8.4 meter deep. Earth taken out of it is spread all around it to a width of 7.5 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of embankment. So you see, this is the portion where well is dug out. Its diameter is 10 given, so that will be 5 meter radius. Then around this up to 7.5 meter, this soil is spread like this to make a embankment. So making embankment here. Now we can see internal radius is 5 meter, external radius will be 5 plus 7.5, that is 12.5 meter. So capital R 12.5, small r 5 meter. So volume of earth dug out, that is pi r square h, simple cylinder it is. So pi r square, that is 5 square, and depth is 8.4, that much meter cube. Then area of embankment, that will be pi capital R square minus small r square, that is area of ring. So pi into 12.5 square minus 5 square. We can apply here a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So 12.5 square minus 5 square, that is 12.5 plus 5, that will be 17.5, and 12.5 minus 5, that will be 7.5. So now volume of earth dug out equal to volume of embankment. So volume of embankment will be area of embankment into its height. Area we have got pi into this much, 17.5 into 7.5, and into height. So area of volume of earth dug out we have already found, pi into 5 square into 8.4. So h is equal to, both side pi cancelled, 5 into 5 25 into 8.4 divided by 17.5 into 7.5. So we get 1.61 meter, that is 1.6 meter. That will be height of embankment. Let us take one example from your book. The diameter of a roller 120 centimeter long is 70 centimeter. Length is 120 centimeter and diameter is 70 centimeter. If it takes 500 revolutions to level a playground, determine the cost of leveling it at the rate of rupees 25 per meter square. So for leveling curved surface area of roller will be used. Curved surface area will be 2 pi RH. So 2 into pi 22 upon 7, R 35 and H is 120. Then area covered by roller in 500 revolution. This area is covered by roller in 1 revolution. So in 500 revolution multiplied by 500. This much area will be covered by roller in 500 revolution. Then we just solve it. This we are getting in centimeter square, because here all the dimensions were given in centimeters. So now we are dividing this by 100 into 100, dividing by 10,000 to change it into meter square. So we are changing it into meter square. Now after doing all this calculation, we get these 3 zeros will be cancelled. 1, 2, 3. We can say these 3 zeros cancel. So we are getting numerator 2 into 22 into 35 into 12 into 5, and denominator we are getting 7 into 10. So this is more solved. So we get finally area equal to 1320 meter square. So cost of leveling, that is at rupees 25 per meter square, 1320 into 25, that is equal to rupees 33,000. We get rupees 33,000. So we are over here with our topic, volume and surface area of cylinder. In next topic we will have volume and surface area of cone.